this is the front of the house. Let's just go around the perimeter. A lot of touches, you know, that need to be made. There's a well on the site, but nobody knows where it is, and it's got disconnected. So we're gonna connect it to the water. Right there, there's a water access right next to the car. This is some water softener right here. It's not gonna be used. This is all gonna be gone, of course. Propane tank, it's going to be eliminated. We don't need that. We're just going to make this house electrical. 2 AC units that are not working properly. One is only blowing out hot air, the other one just doesn't work. This area is going to be with a deck, and we have a little pond here, so it's nice. And even a little boat, and behind the boat, behind the bushes, there's a little deck to the water. This is the house from the outside, back. This is the back of the house. And as much as I recall, we are gonna finish up all the brick that is missing. We're probably gonna finish up all the way around. So it just gives it the same look and feel. Which I'm not a big fan of, but this is the house.